In Girona there are 4 bridges. This is the Stone Bridge, or in Catalan is called Pont de Pedra, or Pont d'Isabel II. This is the most ancient bridge in Girona. Now I'm at the Eiffel Tower Bridge, or in Catalan is called Pont de les Peixateries Velles. This bridge was recreated by Gustave Eiffel, who built the Eiffel Tower in Paris. And now I'm at the Sant Agustí Bridge. From this bridge you can see the houses of Oñà. Finally, I'm at the last bridge, the Princess Bridge, or in Catalan is called Pont d'en Gómez. This bridge consists with only arc, where the lovers leave the petals to remember their love. Is the oldest cathedral in the state of Girona and has legends attached to it. The legends are the sword of Carlemany, and it said that if his sword falls into a well, when the sword reaches the center of the well, we will die. And the other legend is the chair. It said that two people who are in love, we will fall in love when they sit on the chair. Girona is a city and a Spanish municipality. The city is crossed by 4 rivers: Tei, Ter, Güell, Gargants, and Oñà. Something very important is the mythical legend of Girona, a witch who threw stones in front of the people until one day God petrified the witch. Legend has it that the old demons and vampires are hidden. The Arab baths are near the archaeological walk. They said that the Arab bath had magical powers. These are the gardens of the French. Under the old baths of the boulevard is hiding an old map of Paris. This is the Cul de la Lleona. The Cul de la Lleona is a famous statue in Girona. The Cul Lion was built in 1895. The legends say that the tourist that kissed the lion's bottom will return to Girona. The Cul de la Lleona hasn't always been in the street. Before, it was in Girona Art Museum. This is the municipal stadium of Montilivi. It was officially opened the 14th August of 1970 in an official match between the Barcelona Football Club. The mascot is a soldier with a triangular face called Carlemany, in honor of the Catalan King Carlemany. 2 years ago, the Girona Football Club played the promotion of playoff. Girona Football Club lost against Almeria 0-1, giving the promotion to Almeria. This is the story of the best football club of the world, Girona. This is a very famous street in Girona. It's called Carrer Nou. In Carrer Nou there are a lot of interesting shops. For example, shoes, clothes, and lots of very good bakeries. There are cafes and very famous restaurants. This is a very famous restaurant in Catalonia. It's very small. You can have dinner or have lunch, unless when you're in the restaurant. Sant Felix of Girona is a collegiate basilica, originally from early Christianity that was the main temple of Girona, before the construction of the cathedral. During the Muslim occupation of Girona, 717, it seems that old church had Islamic features, because the cathedral was converted into the mosque.